Introducing the all-new Telescopic block paving brush set from Creative Products, the pain-free way to remove moss, weed and algae from block paving, pathways and even garden decking. Say goodbye to expensive chemicals and messy power washers. The paving brush set from Creative Products will have your driveway looking as good as new in no time. The set comes with two cleaning heads. The large wide brush is ideal for the large surface areas of block pavers, slabs, pathways and garden decking. The narrow brush with built-in scraper makes light work of cleaning the jointed areas and edges of block paving and pathways. Switching from one brush head to the other is so easy. Simply unscrew from the handle, change and screw tight once again. The narrow brush with its built-in weeding tool is strong, durable and the perfect shape to get right down to the roots of stubborn weeds. Even removing moss from the joints of block paving is a breeze. The scraping prong is set at just the right angle to cut and lift the moss clean away. It's so easy. For the best results, always pull the brush towards you with light, gentle strokes. Now turn the brush head over and the soft brass-coated bristles finish the job, removing any final surface residue for a perfect result. Getting down on your hands and knees with a scraper or a knife takes so long, not to mention the backache. The Creative Paving Brush has an adjustable telescopic handle, allowing you to weed and clean without the pain of bending over. This brush even works in the tight corners where walls meet pathways and driveways. Changing to the wide bristled head for cleaning the main surface area of all types of paving. The tough, durable bristles make light work of algae and moss, even on gravel drives and paths. Garden decking can be extremely dangerous and slippy underfoot in winter. The Creative Paving Brush easily gets you back to a firm footing and is ideal for cleaning the drainage channels, allowing water to flow away freely once more. So whether it's block paving, pathways or garden decking, the 2-in-1 paving brush from Creative Products will help you get back to a firm, weed-free footing once more. Take yours to the checkout now.